If you're new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. I help you in market structure, help you to understand when to buy, sell, take out profit. In this game, it's not only about buying or selling, it's also about paying yourself, taking out some profit so that you wouldn't be dumped upon. Those guys, the market makers, the whales, they're gonna dump on you if you say you are not diligent enough to pay attention to what is going on. What I want you guys to understand on today's show is something you guys have never experienced in my show. I want to give you guys everything you need to know to make amazing gains in this industry. I want us to look at Bitcoin deeper, how to make money from altcoins just looking at Bitcoin. If you have been paying attention to my content, then this shouldn't be something new to you. This should be something that it's going to be like a continuation to you. But I want to break this down with you guys today so you are not going to be left out ever, as you embark in this game. So if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, come on. You are missing out a lot. Go right now and smash the subscribe button. If you're watching on YouTube, of course, you are always lucky to be on YouTube. But if you're watching on X, of course, it's good, but you need to be part of my YouTube community. And those of you who want to join my VIP group, guys, on my VIP group, you get my buy and sell alert. See, this is the link. You can trade with me on Bitfinex. But let's dive quickly. We're going to come to that later on. Let's dive quickly to examine what is going on with the bubbles. Now, we are looking at the top 100 coins in the market against Bitcoin. And you can see from the daily time frame, it shows that these coins, FTM, Tau, RV, OM, Lido, Fed, Bread, WIFT, are doing so well among the top 100 coins out there. And if we look at the top 200 coins, you can also see which coins are doing well. Now, guys, for those of you who actually don't understand how to use crypto bubbles, let me just use this quick let me just use 5 minutes or let's say 2 minutes to explain to you guys how you can use it on higher time frame and lower time frame. Let's begin on the lower time frame. Right now, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and there are coins that move alongside Bitcoin, and there are coins that move when Bitcoin is moving. Alongside Bitcoin, and there are coins that move after Bitcoin has pumped to the upside or to the downside. Now, looking at this chart, you can see that we have sats, which at times always move alongside with Bitcoin. We have Ondo also, Argo also. We have most of these altcoins here that haven't yet done anything against Bitcoin, meaning that if we see some retracement in Bitcoin, these other coins are going to pump. So you're going to look at those coins that haven't yet pumped. You can see these ones have done so well. Aave, Omo, FTM, Nier, Bread, these ones are outperforming Bitcoin as of now because Bitcoin is up about 5%. I think almost 5%. Dogecoin is also doing well. So what you have to do is go to these coins, look at what that's done for the month, the week, and the day, and go to the coins that have been doing well. Like let's say, for example, let's look at FTM. What has FTM been doing? You can see for the year, for the month, and week, day, and so it means that this coin is in strength. And you can even look at other coins like Ethereum to see what Ethereum is doing. And now you can go to your chart. Like for example, if say I want to let's say I want to buy, let me just look, let's look at sats. Okay, I want to buy sats. So I'm going to go now to my chart and see where I am with sats. So let's go to sats. There's 1,000 sats. I think 1,000 sats. This is going to be on 1,000 sats on Binance. This coin is on Binance. You can trade it on Binance, and you can trade it on Bitfinex as well. So you can see that sats is at a good entry zone. Look at this, and we are looking at this on the daily time frame. We saw this pump with SAT, and we saw this retracement back, and it respected structure. It's still in structure. We haven't seen price go and make lower lows here. So price hasn't done something like this. Price is still in structure. So I think looking at this now, what we should be expecting is for price to bounce and make and start moving back to the upside. So if we go to lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, you can see that as Bitcoin is doing well, SAT also is preparing to pump. You can see this clearly. Look at these vectors here, these vectors, and look at where price is at this point in time. This pump break structure, came back, held this structure, haven't yet go to make lower lows. So we should expect this bad boy to pump at least towards where the alpha trend printed itself signal. So this is how I use crypto bubbles. I look at coins that haven't yet done well. When Bitcoin is doing well to an extent. But if we look at Bitcoin right now, we can just look at Bitcoin quickly to see what Bitcoin is doing. Because right now the price of Bitcoin is around, let's say, $57 US dollars, 57,000 US dollars, and you can see Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame is heading towards this. I think towards the better moving average or towards the 200 moving average, and we're gonna get some sort of resistance there. So as it stands, we are seeing this, like Bitcoin is bullish. So at least we should see these other altcoins that haven't yet pumped alongside Bitcoin to pump maybe when Bitcoin retrace a little bit and then make another attempt to go and make higher highs, like do something like this, maybe go right up to 58 or $59,000. We're gonna do Bitcoin analysis detailedly, but I just want you guys to see how I go about analyzing the market with crypto bubbles. It's really an important tool. You can use this tool alone and make crazy gains in the market. Trust me, guys. This tool alone can help you make crazy gains in the market. If you're watching and you haven't yet liked this content, come on, my friend. What are you still waiting for? Like, at least. Like the content. Let's move on.